Today, I'm taking you across 118 plus acres in West Virginia, where rolling hills, private trails, wildlife, and complete seclusion create the kind of property people spend years searching for. And before we even get to the house, I want you to take in the setting, because this is where the experience really begins. This isn't just land you look at from a back porch. This is land you actually use and enjoy every single day. As we make our way through the property, you'll immediately notice how the landscape changes around you. Open countryside blends into wooded sections, mature white oak trees spread across the land, and trails weave throughout the property, creating easy access for ATVs, hiking, horseback riding, or simply exploring your own acreage. Every turn feels like a different view and a different experience. A flowing stream winds through the property, adding movement and natural beauty, while a small pond creates another peaceful spot to relax or enjoy the outdoors. Wildlife is everywhere here, and if you enjoy hunting, this setup offers incredible opportunities for deer, turkey, and squirrel throughout the land. There are also approximately 4 acres of open ground that could become food plots, garden space, or even a hobby farm setup. As we continue through the property, you'll also notice that the functionality matches the beauty. There's a 720 square foot shop located approximately 500 yards from the home, giving you dedicated space for projects, equipment, or storage. Near the road sits a 100 by 50 pole building, offering even more flexibility, whether you need workshop space, storage, or future income potential. Now, as the home begins to come into view, you can immediately see how well it fits into the landscape. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with over 3,000 square feet of living space was positioned to take full advantage of the surrounding scenery and privacy. And one feature that immediately steals the attention is the 1,647 square foot wraparound porch. Whether you're grilling with friends, hosting family gatherings, or simply sitting back with coffee while wildlife moves across your property, this space becomes an extension of the land itself. This isn't just a house with acreage. It's 118+ acres of privacy, recreation, and a lifestyle that starts the moment you turn onto the drive.